this is Host Legends. This is the dashboard. We introduced the new VPS servers, right? Which is virtual private servers. And that's how it looks. You got all the information. You can connect an existing domain, register a domain with us as well. If you don't have a domain, you can register or transfer a domain. So if you have a domain on name.com or Namecheap or GoDaddy, you can transfer it into Host Legends. We've got clients that have like up to 20 websites on the shared hosting right now, and they're just enjoying it. It's a very easy infrastructure we created here. You can log into the client area, submit a ticket right from here. All the tutorials are right in here as well. And you can contact support at hostlegends.com 24/7. Here are your services. Okay, so these are my services right here in this dashboard. 1 second. Okay, so it shows my services, cloud hosting, add-ons, and my domains right here. I can pick to use Flask, cPanel, WordPress on Flask, GitLab, Nextcloud. We got it all, right? We're marketers, and we know what it takes to actually run a websites, data, etc. Now, as well, we help you with the migration. So if you were on you were hosting somewhere else, we help you with all the migrations so you don't have to go through the headache of the technical aspect of things, okay? Here we got as well, within Host Legends, we're giving out the cloud backup storage, which is here. So exactly like Dropbox, we're giving you 100 gigabytes where you can upload files, images, videos, and just keep them on here. You can drag and drop and place all the files right here. Or you can just, upload, right? Press upload and upload. You can create files as well and store everything. If you need to delete something, you can put it in the recycle bin. As well, we've got here the AI website builder, which is PageMingo. Okay, it's one of our beautiful technologies that we created, and a lot of our customers use it and they enjoy it because they can create pages in seconds. There's multiple templates and you get it all with Host Legends. So you don't have to deal with, hiring someone to create your website or having to install like WordPress and then get a theme and customize it. You can do it all from PageMingo. Okay. Now, we've got as well here the video hosting, which is VidMingo. It's one of our top products of the year of 2022. This is one of our flagship basically products, where you can create your videos, customize them. So some people pay an arm and a leg with Vimeo, for example. It can come up to like $500 a month, right? Here you can host all your videos, you can rebrand them, change the players, customize everything, even like the music tab, the soundtrack, everything. Okay. Plus, you can collect leads through your videos. So there's lead capture that you can place on your videos and capture them. For example, look at VidMingo. The VidMingo branding is purple and pinkish, right? So I can create a whole video player that is basically, the player can be pink in color. Everything else is customized, and I can go through it. You can stream videos as well. You can go live and record. You can create text-to-speech, create voiceovers. Voiceovers alone cost us an arm and a leg for any video we do. Even on Fiverr, right? They cost money. You've got stock images, stock videos, screen to GIFs. So you can do all that from here. You don't have to go purchase images, stock images and videos. You can create teams. You can add your team in here. Here are the leads. You can integrate, say you use Aweber, you can integrate Aweber to collect the leads through your videos. And all the emails would be stored in here. Here are the analytics, and you got the multilingual videos. So say your videos are in English, you can actually demonstrate them in different language with subtitles, okay? And there's the Partner Central where you can actually resell VidMingo. Now, and we've got here our last one, which is the social media automation. A Viral Dashboard is one of our top products for automation. And we've got here Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google My Business, and Pinterest, okay? You can connect all your social media accounts. You can discover as well with hashtags. You can create mentions, automate, check your analytics. It's a whole, like usually you go through the subscription and you pay like $29 a month just to have such a tool. And we've got it all covered right here. I think we're adding TikTok as well soon. It's one of the big ones that's coming in on Viral Dashboard. Okay, now let me just dig in a bit here. with my services on hostlegends. 1 second. Okay, here's services. Okay, so as you can see, I can register my VPS right here. Okay, here's the cloud hosting. It shows me that I got the gold hosting right in here. It shows me the domain that I actually connected. I can access the server right from within, okay, with no issues. 1 second. Okay. Okay, so here is my database. I just can access it right from here. The edit FTP files, file manager, database, FTP access, everything's right here. Okay, we got it all. Your logs, PHP Composer, applications, SSL certificates included. There's the WP toolkit where you can install your WordPress sites in clicks. There's an SEO toolkit, website importing as well, where you can import a website from, you know, say you're hosting with XX, right? And you want to import your website files in here, right? You can just upload them. Though, as a customer, as a new customer, we help you with the migration. Okay, then you can create as well your email addresses right here in the mail section. Here's your you can add users. Your databases are right here. The statistics is right here. Everything is simple, easy. You don't have to even place a password to log into your dashboard, right? Plus, you can reset the password right from here. So what we created is something very easy. Usually it's complicated, and I had hosting actually with a different company. It was so complicated because I have to go like to, you know, to their. It gives you like a URL, right? And then I have to put my admin and password and then log in and go through that. Here we make it super easy. Even those, which is the cloud backup, AI website builder, video hosting, and the vital dashboard, you can go with one-click login. You don't even have to put the password, and it takes you right to the dashboard right here, right here, right here. You don't have to put any password.